Now question number 7. A train is moving along a straight line with a constant acceleration of a. A boy is standing in the train, throws a ball forward with a speed of 10 meters per second with an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal. The boy has to move forward by 1.15 meters inside the train to catch the ball back to the initial height. The acceleration of the train is. So, here one train is moving like this. This is one train. It is moving like this with a acceleration. We know one thing, when train is moving or anything is moving with some acceleration, opposite side what generating? Pseudo force generating. So, pseudo force means, for example, one small body is there. What is the mass of the body? M. On this, how much force is there? Pseudo force? Ma. Mass, M is the mass of the body. What is the A? Acceleration of the system. What is the acceleration of the system? Same only but reverse direction. That is creating on every part inside the system. That is the concept. So this concept here I am taking. Now, here what happened? One boy projecting. Here one boy projecting one ball like this. So what happening, when this ball reaching here, again he is coming to here and this catching the ball. So this distance he had given d. So what is the distance? That is 1.15 meters. That d equals to 1.15 meters. Again he had given this information, ball. Ball is moving like this. This information here. So this I am taking here. So ball projected like this with some u velocity. It is making some angle theta. So in this way what happening? Ball reached. So what is this? This is called range. So here what is the u? Here what is the initial velocity? 10 meter per second. Velocity of the ball is 10 meter per second. So here angle given theta. What is the theta? The theta equals to 60 degrees. That equals to 60 degrees. So I am taking ux and also uy. This is x component and this is y component. Now, what is the ux? Ux equals to u cos 60 degrees. Similarly, uy equals to u sin 60 degrees. So first I am going to resolution of vectors. First I am going to resolution of vectors. So then what happens? Ux equal to u cos 60 and this is u sin 60. What is the u value? 10 into cos 60 value 1 by 2. So what is this? 5 meter per second. And what about this? 10 into sin 60 root 3 by 2. So 5 root 3 meter per second. So this is vertical component. So what happens? It is reaching from here to here. So time of flight. What we are writing? 2u sin theta by j. 2u sin theta by j. So u sin theta. So that is the time of flight. So for reaching ball here to here, how much time taking? The time finding. That is called what? Time of flight. That equals what? 2u sin theta by j. 2 into u sin theta means y component. That value what came? U sin theta 2 into u sin theta equal to 5 root 3 by g he had given 10. 2 1s are 2 5s. Now what I am getting? Root 3 seconds. What is the time? The time is I am taking small t. So to reach from here to here ball, how much I am taking? That is root 3 seconds time taking. It is taking root 3 seconds. So here what happening? In this root 3 seconds, it must travel from here to here. So the distance is d. So here what happens? It is moving like this. Train is creating acceleration like this. Ball is moving like this. This train is creating what happening? Pseudo force inside the every part. Corresponding acceleration. So ball is moving like this, acceleration like this. So that is creating. It is reducing the velocity of the ball. So that is called retardation. A equal to minus 10. Now we apply S equals to ut plus half a t square formula. Now to reach from here to here. What is the formula? S equals to ut plus half at square. Moving from here to here. What is the distance? D. That equals to u. U means what? Horizontal component. What is the horizontal component? 5. Into t plus half into acceleration. That is what? Minus a. Why minus a? Train is moving like this, reverse generating minus a. Into t square. So how much time? T equals to root 3 given. So 5 into root 3 again into root 3 whole square. This distance also you are given. What is that distance? 1.15 meters. So this implies 1.15 equals to 5 root 3 minus 3a by 2. 3a by 2. Otherwise, you write this as, this implies 3a by 2, that equals to 5 root 3 minus 1.15. This implies 3a equals to 2 into 5 root 3 minus 1.15. Now what is the acceleration? 2 into 5 root 3 minus 1.15 by 3. So that is the acceleration of the train. So after doing mathematics, we are getting this as 5 meter per second square. This is 5 meter per second square. That is the acceleration of the train. That is the acceleration of the train.